This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Growth Models. Welcome to issue 72 of building the Ford GT. In this issue, we're going to be fitting one of the wheels. I've got both of them out, but we're only fitting one this time around. So let's have a look. First of all, we are going to look at Hennessy. That's a word I'm familiar with. I don't know. Might be. I'm thinking of whiskey, but I don't know. They might be the same people. Feel free to read all the words you like. That's quite sleek. I like the look of that. Not exactly ideal for going to the shops, but it's quite nice. It's almost the same, in fact, as the one I'm building, isn't it? It's got a similar sort of curvature, but a more modern version. So this is the right rear suspension that we've got, and we're putting together to the engine block that we've built before. This is the last of this month's delivery, so I'm assuming that next time we're going to start with the left, right. This is the right rear suspension, so we're going to be continuing with the left. So yes, we've got the right tyre to put on the one that we built first. The one we just built is this one over here. We're not doing that one quite yet, but we've got a bit to build up and then attach that to there. Then we'll see how it's going to fit onto the car at some point in the future. I'm sure we will. But for now, let's get the suspension built. So here we have the parts, and obviously from last time, those parts, lots of different screws to worry about. Make sure you get the screw correct, screw numbers and letters in the right places. Get rid of the fluff from the bench as well. So we are going to be fitting this to there. This needs to go on the right way around. Let's move those over there a bit. We've got a side with notches on it and a side with a metal ring on it. That goes on that post there, like so, but we can't actually attach it yet because something else attaches over the top of it first, and that something is this one, which has a shaping to it. So we need to make sure that the bit that goes back with the thinner end on it goes on there. That's going to go over that bit. I say that, I've got it the wrong way around. It's that way around with the thicker end going on that bit there, the thinner end on this piece that I've just put on. So that goes on there, and that goes on there, I believe. That feel like that connects up. Doesn't feel great on there, I must admit. Let's try it the other way around, just in case. That's worse. That's worse on there. Let me just double check. Yes, the thicker end is definitely the bit that goes up that way. So it's that way round, with that going over that post and that going over that post. Can I put two screws in there? I can indeed. I can put an 8 and a 9. This is a 9. FD09. One of those out. The 9 goes over this bit in the top. In there. I'm not going to tighten that up quite yet. I'm going to make sure everything fits together before tightening it all together. We have an 8, which will go and hold all the other bits together. Oh, I'm having so much trouble getting screws out of these packets today. There you go, just the one out. You can stay in there until I need you at some point in the near future, which I might or might not. Always keep your spare screws because you never know when you might need them. So yeah, that's in there. That now is connected up on there. I shall get these tightened up so we know where we are. If you're enjoying this build series, don't forget to like and subscribe. Every like and subscribe helps the channel and helps me grow and makes me feel wanted and loved. So if you haven't already, then please do consider subscribing. If you'd really like to help out, then you can consider becoming a channel member or a patron. Link to become a member is underneath any of my videos where it says join, and patron link is in the description. So there we go. That's that. Next, we are fitting something else. What we're doing, we're putting the big metal parts. This is going onto that post that way round, like so. That's got, again, a notch that will mean it'll only rotate a certain degree before it locks up, which is good. It won't go far enough to rotate against the other one because that's never going to go up that far. Can't go that far, so must just be to go down as far as it can go. That is going on there, and we are using an O2 screw for that one, which is one of these. Go. You'll need that bit. Can't use that yet. O2 screw through the top of that post. There we go. Ooh, that in there as well. And tighten that down fully. Go. That's that. Still moves. All good stuff. Then we have more things to do. Insert the cylindrical end of the hub linkage through there, and that's got the little notch that lines up in that little notch there. So that goes in there like so. That is not screwed in place into that, but it is screwed in place into this. We've got the thinner end of that. Goes all the way through there and all the way into there, like so. That's somewhere in the middle. Oh, that's going to go into there, isn't it? There we go. That's where that's going to line up. Nice. I like it a lot. I'll take the magnetic bit off because I'm going to be fiddling with this. And we need a screw to hold that in place. That is going to be 07. What's that one? 07. That's the one I haven't used yet. That's good. That's convenient. Lots of single screws of different types, but it's all good. But the 07 screw will hold that in there. It's fallen out, but I can pop it back in. That in there. Nice. Here we have it. A little bit tighter than that, I think. We go. So that is that. That's obviously we're going to attach that to that. There's going to be some sort of suspension somewhere along the line. I'm not sure how that's going to work on this one, but there we go. So there we have a wheel connected. I'm pretty sure that's going to go in there, isn't it? Because that's where it's got to connect up. And that's going to do the same on the other side when we get the other bit to attach to that. Put the magnet back on so I don't lose it. It's all coming together. I like it. I like it a lot. So that is that. I shall put my screws in a safe place out of the way and move all this out of the way until the next pack arrives. So hopefully you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment, let me know, and I shall see you very soon for other things, and then more of this at some point in a month or so. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.